Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to fix Roblox error unexpected client behavior. So there are a few steps you can try to fix the error. First, clear your browser cache and cookies. This can help to resolve any issues with your browser not loading the Roblox game correctly. Number 2, restart your computer. Sometimes simply restarting your computer can help to resolve issues with Roblox. Number 3, check for updates. Make sure that both your browser and Roblox are up to date. And number 4, disable any ad blocking software. Some ad blocking software can interfere with the loading of Roblox games. So try disabling any ad blockers you have installed. Number 5, disable browser extension. Some browser extension can also cause issues with Roblox. So try disabling any extensions you have installed and see if that resolves the error. And last, try another or different browser. If the issue persists, try playing Roblox on different browser to see if the error still occurs. And that's how to fix Roblox error unexpected client behavior. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.